Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a crewmate that's already been got to. He's already been, passed. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, and it's going to be in two chunks. It's going to be the bottom chunk and the top, with that bone sticking out, but then I'm going to draw the actual head on the top, and you'll see what I mean. It's going to be a fun video. Watch if you want to watch, or you can join along with me. I'm going to use this Crayola brand marker, which is available everywhere, and then also which makes no sense really anatomically, but it's funny. Right here, another line. If you want to impress people, definitely join the channel. Click the subscribe and don't forget to click kind of like marshmallows. But anyways, marshmallow, like if I go up like that, that just looks like a marshmallow to me, stuck to a bigger Let's draw the head that is gone. Okay? Right now I'm gonna see little bit more, okay? Stay with me. So that coin shape, I'm going to draw another. That would be really amazing, and they should do it. Or, like I was saying before, we should tweet out or something like that. They should put a crewmate in Smash Brothers, like Smash Bros. Melee. I would love that. I would love that. That'd be amazing. Yeah, I'd be amazed if they did that. That'd be so cool. Thinking a couple lines over here. But yeah, otherwise, if you want to be able to draw hands, go to my Gumroad. My Gumroad, I'm going to put the link a little up there. Basically, it's a free document on how to draw cartoon hands. I know that's really hard for a lot of people, and I'm going to make it free. I was selling it, but you know what? I'm going to make it free for a while, for a little bit. So go check that out while it's free. I also have a free cue drawing ebook that is in the description as well. You're going to have to find all these things because there's a lot of stuff in there in the description as far as that goes. Otherwise, let me see what else. Let me fix these things. That is now I think I'm done. Now I think I'm done. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Everybody's been, like I said, super nice and supportive. And everybody channel. It's not like, oh, I can draw this. It's about you. Okay? It's about, can you learn to draw this? And that's what I want. That's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. I'm Enrique. Feel free to call me by name, you know. Say, hey, what's up, Enrique, in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon, all right? So it's easy pictures to draw. Later.